During the normal course of operating your tape dispenser, on occasion you might get a tape jam. Today we're going to tell you how to remove those jams. First, turn the machine off and unplug it from the wall. Then lift the cover to expose the tape path. Remove the upper tape plate and set it aside. Lift the blade lever to release the tension on the jammed tape. Then remove the jam from the dispenser and lower the blades back onto the machine. Lift the heater plate and make sure there is no residual tape left in the tape path. Then remove the leading edge of the tape from the machine and cut it off so you have a nice straight edge to feed through. Feed the tape back through the tape path. Replace the tape plate. Close the cover. Plug the machine back in, turn it on, and you're ready to go.